Hey y'all, Mr. Tolly here. I'm at reloading bench today. I'm loading ammo for my preps. This is 9mm that I'm doing, because if I've got a bug out, I'm taking something that's got some capacity to it. I'm grabbing a 9mm. I prefer 45, but when you're looking for something that just has the capacity, I grab my 9mm. I'm using 125 grain lead round nose powder coated bullet, and I can do a cost breakdown at the end, but the bullets cost very little. I pay about $1 a pound for lead, $1 to $1.20 a pound, so 7,000 grains per pound. You start breaking it down, it's pretty cheap to cast your own bullets. The powder coating, about 10-12 pounds for $40, so it was pretty cheap. And these aren't the only bullets, so I don't even count the powder coating. The cases are all range pickups. The primers are the S&B small pistol primers that I'm getting for $27 a thousand. So all in all, it's pretty economical to reload it. And at the end I'll put a little breakdown. What else? Yeah. So I take them. We'll put them all in a tray like this, and then I go and I use some clear nail polish, just because I had it around, and seal all the primers in it, because these are going to get put away. The powder coating will help to seal it around the bullet, so I'm not worried about that, but the primers, I like to make sure that they're sealed. Then they go get put in an ammo can. Excuse me. You get put in an ammo can and labeled as to what they are, what the load is, and set aside with a silica packet in it. So really, it ain't so bad. I don't know. I'm going to finish loading this little bit. This is all the bullets I got left to load out of that many. And well, I'll get back. Time to test out our 9mm preps. Let's see how they function. My Taurus PT99 is the most finicky of all my 9mm guns, so if they work in this, they'll work in everything. So far, so good. Let's see if we can do a 5 rapid fire. Oh yeah. I'd say we got our preps down pat. They're running a little over 1,100 feet per second, so they're hot, but they're good loads. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and God bless.